Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer iPhone data to a USB device or a pen drive. First thing first, make sure your USB stick has enough storage and you have a Lightning to USB cable. Firstly, plug your iPhone into your computer with a USB cable, then on your iPhone, tap Trust this computer if prompt and enter your passcode. On Windows, the Photos app may open automatically. If not, launch it manually from the Start menu. Now, in the Photos app, click Import, then from a USB device. On Windows 11, you can go to Import Apple iPhone from the upper right corner. Now the app will detect your iPhone and display available photos on it. Choose specific photos you want to by checking the boxes or select Import All to move everything. By default, photos are saved to the Pictures folder in your PC, which is optional. You can change the save location before importing. Now insert your USB stick into the computer and open the USB folder. Copy the imported photos from the picture folder or the chosen location and pass them into the USB drive. You can create a new folder for organization. And done, you've successfully moved iPhone photos to your USB flash drive or pen drive using the Photos app. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please sure to like and subscribe for more.